Hey everyone, uh, if you're seeing error messages in Raycast and not sure how to fix them, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. So let's get started. First, try restarting Raycast. Quit the app completely, then reopen it. This helps clear temporary glitches that can cause random errors while using commands or extensions. Next, check your internet connection. Some Raycast features depend on online services, so if your connection is weak or unstable, it can trigger different types of errors. Try opening a website just to confirm everything is working fine. Now make sure your Raycast app is fully updated. Open the top menu, click Raycast, then check for updates, and install any updates available. Updates often include bug fixes and stability improvements. After that, check your extensions. Open Raycast, type extensions, and press enter. Make sure everything is enabled and updated, and consider removing any extension that might be causing conflicts or issues. If errors still appear, clearing the cache usually helps. Open Finder, go to your library folder, then Raycast, and delete the cache folder. Don't worry, Raycast will rebuild everything automatically when you launch it again. As a final step, you can reinstall Raycast, download the latest version, remove the current app, and install it again. This fixes most deeper or persistent errors. And that's it. That's how you fix most Raycast error messages in 2026 and get everything running smoothly again. Hey everyone.